तो मैं भाग भाग के जा रही हूँ।
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Wonder Bee. I have visited Tumkur in the month of Feb 2021. Here's the video of my travel and experience.
The bus stand is like around 5-10 minutes walking distance. You have to straight walk down from the railway station, cross the road, then you can find the bus stand. So I'm taking a slight break in middle of the road. I'll just have some breakfast and then I'll keep walking. I'll show you what I got in my breakfast. It's so fun to get your snacks from home. I'm just feeling it's like a picnic. So let me have my bread omelette. I got the bus, so it's a private bus. If anyone wants to travel in KRCTC, the buses are available frequently, but for private the bus is empty now, so I need to wait for some time. The passengers has to fill, and then it's just half an hour distance from the bus stop. So yeah, another 10-15 minutes it should be good to start, and I can reach there by 8:30. So let's see. So I got down to Panditanahalli. This is the bus stop behind. So they dropped me here, and now I have to just take this lane, and it's walkable, 20 minutes only. So if you want, I think autos are there. You can get the autos, or you can just walk down, seeing the village, and I can see the hill that's behind. If you can see it, I'll show you 1 second. That's the hill where I have to reach. This is the Mandagiri hill, and this is the via I have to walk. So that's the hill I can see, and the temple, the Peacock temple is there. So we can't walk straight, so there are some lanes. So let me follow the map and reach there. So I almost reached there. That's the boundary. So I need to find the gate, main gate. I think that's the gate. So let me enter through that. So guys, this is the entrance. Photography and all is not allowed, so I can't take you in, but I'll leave the footwear here. टेम्पल का दर्शन हो गया, and luckily the temple was about to close, so somehow I entered and I took a nice round there, and now I'm walking to the hill. It's just a straight road up to the hill, and then behind the hill there is a lake, so I'll walk there too. It's a very nice vibe. There are pigs, cows, grasses, and the road. So there are more than 400 steps. I think it's 475 or 25. I need to check that. But you can't walk at a stretch. It's little high. So I took 2 breaks already. And I'm almost there. Just few more steps to reach the hilltop. This is the view from the hilltop. You can see such a beautiful landscape, and behind me there's a construction going on still, so I need to check around. Still under construction. Let me show you the view again from a corner. It's 9 a.m. in the morning. I reached the hilltop, and this is the scene. There's the Jain temple, which I visited the first one, and then I walked around that lane from the steps up till here. I can see a gap for the temple door. Yes, so there is a temple. Temple is here. यहीं से आ सकते हैं? So I'm walking down and to find the lake. So see, here I found the lake. So I have to walk down maybe somewhere here in the panel, and I will try to reach that spot. Let's go to the lake from here. So still I'm not clear. लेक सामने ही दिख रही है, पता नहीं चल रहा है गली कहाँ पे है. होपफुली यही जाएगा, क्योंकि ये अच्छा खासा रास्ता दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. तो ये एंट्री है. यहाँ पे चलना नहीं पड़ रहा है. इट्स वेरी स्लोपी डाउन. तो मैं भाग भाग के जा रही हूँ. यही सही रास्ता है. भागो 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 भागो. आप लोग अगर गाड़ी वगैरह से आते हो, लाइक इफ यू हैव कार और बाइक, तो इट्स लाइक a good trip, good day trip. You can come to the sunrise, see the sunrise, and then enjoy some time and go back. But आपको अगर local transport से आना है तो like it will get little delay. You don't get the sunrise, but it's quite good. By this time also you can enjoy. Yeah, I reached the lake. This hill se I came down here, and this is a beautiful lake. No one around. It's very nice, very peaceful. Sun is high, so I'll search a shady place to sit and rest for a while. So let me check if I can get a spot behind some huge stones. So come, let us search. I'll rest below this stone I found. This is a shady place, and here is a nice view of the village. काफ़ी पीसफुल है जगह, बहुत अच्छा लगा. आई क्वाइट रेस्टेड फॉर अ वाइल एंड स्नैक्ड. अभी जस्ट मैं यहाँ वहाँ टहल रही हूँ. द बेस्ट लाइक डे ट्रिप यू कैन से. यू कैन क्विकली कम एंड गो. आपको जब कभी भी लाइक गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एंड यू वांट टू मूव आउट ऑफ योर वर्क और स्टडी, you can just drive here, which is like very comfortable. और else मेरे जैसे ट्रेन बस में लोकल में भी चल के आ सकते हो. then too you'll enjoy it. It's very nice. सिर्फ ये ध्यान रखना है, ये जगह इसने नेचर ब्यूटी, यू डोंट वांट टू डिस्ट्रॉय इट. तो जो भी आप स्नैक्स या वाटर बॉटल्स या कुछ भी लाते हो, तो रिमेंबर टू टेक योर थ्रेश बैक विथ योर सेल्फ. कैरी ए बिन बैग विथ यू सो दैट यू डोंट लॉटर हियर एंड देयर. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट बात कि स्नैक्स लाना है, बिकॉज आसपास कुछ भी नहीं है खाने के लिए. नॉट इवन वाटर बॉटल्स आर अवेलेबल. एक दो स्टॉल मैंने स्टार्टिंग में देखा, बट दैट आर क्लोज्ड क्योंकि अर्ली मॉर्निंग. आई डोंट थिंक. या नाउ आई एम वॉकिंग बैक. टाइम है मेरा रिटर्न. मैंने ट्रेन करवाई है तुमकुर से अगेन बैंगलोर, तो वो 4 बजे की है. आई हैव लॉन्ग टाइम. तो मैं जस्ट यहाँ वहाँ थोड़ा खुली हवा में सांस ले रही हूँ and re-energizing myself and getting the positive vibes and collecting it and let's see, let me walk around and see the nature beauty. फिर से ऊपर जाना पड़ रहा है. आने को तो बहुत ही आसानी से आ गए, बट क्लाइंबिंग अप इज डिफिकल्ट. सो गाइज, आई एम डन. बहुत धूप चढ़ गई है. तो अभी यहाँ पे कुछ स्टॉल्स ओपन हुए हैं खाने पीने के लिए, स्नैक्स, चिप्स वगैरह, चिप्स पानी वगैरह. तो पीपल क्राउड इज़ कमिंग नाउ. तो मिड नून आपको क्राउड मिल जाएगी. बहुत सारे कार्स एंड ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, दे आर कमिंग. बट आई वुड प्रीफर द मॉर्निंग टाइम ओनली, बिकॉज less crowd and you get nice peaceful environment to spend some good time with yourself, with the nature. Otherwise it's all your choice. Now I'm walking back. I have all my amenities in my magic bag. So I took the umbrella out. It's scorching hot now. So now my train is 4 o'clock. I still have time. It's 12:15. Yeah, it's just the noon. So I have another 2-3 hours. Let me see where I can, if I can find some good place to roam around. Or so it was a good time here. I hope you liked the video. I hope you can see me properly. Yeah, mostly I should not get sunburn. Okay, so I guess you liked the video and you enjoyed. I hope the information was helpful. So let me know if you are visiting anytime here. So just tag me or just comment me. Put your feedback in the comment box so that I can know, okay, how was your experience. I am ending the video here. So till then, stay tuned, stay safe, and do like, share, subscribe, and take care.